How to clear darkest days cache on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily clear the darkest days app cache using your Android device. First of all, go ahead and open up the settings application on your Android. Once you're in the settings app, scroll down and tap on the apps option. Inside apps, go ahead and select darkest days. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data. In the pop-up, click on clear cache. Tap OK to clear out the cache data from your Android. So right after you do that, you will be able to clear the cache from your darkest days application on Android. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.